Another great day. Good morning, viewers. On still my continuation with the biology practical papers, I've decided to start with what was required, the requirements for biology practical or paper 2 in 2002. So, without much ado, I go to what you required for you to do question 1. And question 1 required a complete mature and dry fruit obtained from Biden's phyllosa or blackjack, labeled specimen D1. A complete mature and dry fruit obtained from Sonkas species, labeled D2. There is that plant known as Sonkas or Erashes. Any dry winged seed obtained from Jacaranda or Nandi frame, etc., labeled specimen D3. And finally, a mature pond obtained from a leguminous plant, e.g. Acacia species, beans, or Crotalaria or pea, etc., labeled D4. And then you had to have a handwritten for that question. Let's go to question number 2. Question number 2 required you to have olive oil enough to provide 16 drops. Saturated sodium hydrogen carbonate, labeled liquid L1, enough to provide 8 drops. 4 meals, 1% starch, labeled L2. Irish potato enough to provide 2 cubes of size 1 centimeter. Continuation of question 2. 5 test tubes. Means of labeling. Means of measuring up to 2 centimeter cubed or 2 cubic centimeters. 5 ml tap water. Means of timing. Clock. And then you have Rogo's iodine solution. Question 2 continues the requirement. Scalpel. Ruler graduated in centimeters. Pestle and mortar can be shared. Benedict's solution. Means of heating or water bath. And 3 droppers. So those were the requirements of question 2. You can see we required quite much. Question 3. A freshly killed adult weevil, labeled specimen Q. A freshly killed adult soldier, termite, labeled specimen R. And then you require a handwritten. But we are not saying you have 2 handwritten because these are practical. So the handwritten which was there in question 1, you can still use that one in this question. in general, this practical required 100. So guys, with those few remarks, those are the requirements. With all those things, I'm sure you are ready to do the practical. Question 3, again, you can do it at home, because all what you need to do is you get the river. Maybe you have the problem of hundreds, but anyway, if you are a student, you can easily get the hundreds from school. So that is the way we will be doing our practicals. I will be first giving you the requirements, and then you can come to the questions, and then I will advise you on how you are supposed to answer those questions. So, Mr. Medamo, whose YouTube name is smart_traveler memos, welcomes you to today's video on biology practical, which was done in 2002. Remember, I said most of these things or most of these concepts are repeated in practicals. There are no new things. So any practical video I bring out or produce out is very important for the runners. Okay, so may I tell you goodbye, guys, so that we come now to the paper.